turn out delicious. Don't forget, give it a try. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a super and rich creamy chocolate banana cheesecake. It's so delicious and very easy. Let's start it. Okay friends, let's start with one ripe banana. Just peel it and drop it into the blender. If you love banana flavor, you are in for a treat. Trust me, this cheesecake is going to be crowd pleaser. Now add 450 grams of cream cheese and 1¼ cups of heavy cream right into the blender. This is where the cheesecake gets its super creamy and dreamy texture. Now crack in 3 eggs. Just add them straight into the blender. These eggs will help set the cheesecake and give it that rich custardy feel. Time to add the sugar. Just put in ½ cup. Now, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. As soon as that chocolatey smell hits, oh wow, you are gonna crave it. This is what turns our mix into a chocolate lover's dream. Now it's chocolate time. Melt 270 grams of dark chocolate gently over a double boiler. That's the bain-marie method. Pour that melted chocolate right into the mix. This is where the magic happens. We're turning this into a real chocolate cheesecake. Now take 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it with 3 tablespoons of milk. Give it a good stir until it's completely smooth. Then pour it into the batter. It helps the cheesecake hold together with a lovely creamy texture. Now it's time to blend everything together. Turn on the mixer and let all the ingredients come together into one smooth chocolatey batter. Once it's creamy and perfectly mixed, we are ready to pour into the pan. It's looking so good already. Now let's prep our cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper so it's easy to remove later. Then gently pour in that rich chocolatey batter. Just look at that texture, so smooth and dreamy. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for 40 minutes until it's nicely set. A quick break with our balcony guest. Once the cheesecake comes out of the oven, the center might still be a bit jiggly, and that's totally normal. Since we can't use a toothpick test for this one, it's best to let it cool completely and then refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. That's when it really sets and becomes slice ready. After chilling, it's time to take our cheesecake out of the pan. Gently remove the parchment paper. Look at that smooth and beautiful texture. Now we can garnish the top with a dusting of cocoa powder. Place it on a nice serving plate and it's ready to impress. Rich, creamy, and full of chocolate banana love. Well, look at that. 6 hours later and it's all ready tonight. But it was totally worth the wait. Our cheesecake is ready to shine. With love, from my kitchen to yours.